Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you looking to upgrade your home with the latest and greatest smart devices compatible with Google Assistant? In this video, we're diving deep into the best Google Home compatible devices of 2024. From lighting and thermostats to coffee makers and outdoor spots, we've got you covered. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Philips Hue Multicolor, a 19 starter kit. Philips is a top player in the world of connected lighting solutions, and their Hue products are a testament to that reputation. The Philips Hue Multicolor Bulb Pack is an excellent entry into smart lighting, offering easy setup and seamless integration with Google Assistant for custom voice controls. This pack also includes the Philips Hue Bridge, which is essential if you want access to more advanced lighting controls. Once set up, the bridge can connect and manage up to 50 Philips Hue lights, making it ideal for smart home enthusiasts looking to expand their system. Number 2. Philips Hue Lily Outdoor Spotlight. Many people may not realize that Philips Hue's smart lighting can be extended to the outdoors, and the Philips Hue Lily Outdoor Spotlight is a standout option for this purpose. It's perfect for adding vibrant lighting to your yard, not only for security by deterring intruders, but also for creating dynamic light shows with millions of color options. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or a dance party, you can easily control the lighting through Google Assistant, making outdoor gatherings more fun and visually exciting. Number 3. Google Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Generation. You'll notice a trend of us recommending many first-party Google and Nest products, and that's simply because they integrate seamlessly with Google Assistant. Take, for example, the Nest Thermostat, which revolutionized the smart thermostat market. The latest version is our top pick for the best Google Assistant home automation device. With Google's AI and Assistant managing your home's climate, it's easier than ever to stay comfortable. Plus, you can opt for the more affordable Nest Thermostat E or older models and still get many of the same features. Notably, this latest version includes a Nest temperature sensor right out of the box for more precise control. Number 4. Rachio 3. When it comes to optimizing home utility use, water management is a key area where most families could see significant improvements. Automatic sprinkler systems, while convenient, can often lead to unnecessary water usage. The Rachio 3 system steps in as a smart solution, claiming it can help reduce water consumption by up to 50%. With its advanced weather monitoring and scheduling features, it adjusts watering times based on real-time weather data and soil moisture levels. This ensures that your lawn gets just the right amount of water without waste, making it both eco-friendly and cost-efficient. Number 5. Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Coffee Maker. The connected coffee maker offers a convenient way to brew your favorite coffee with just a few taps on your phone or a simple voice command through Google Assistant. You can easily program it to start brewing at specific times, ensuring you wake up to the smell of fresh coffee. If you're in a hurry or forgot to set it, just say, "Hey Google, brew coffee," and it will get to work. The coffee maker also allows you to adjust the brew strength through voice commands, making it customizable to your taste preferences. Plus, it features a reusable filter, making it an eco-friendly option that reduces waste while still delivering your morning cup of joe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite Google Home compatible device.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.